Welcome back to my channel. Here is another day, beautiful day. Summer in Finland is so beautiful. The weather is nice. I'll be sharing with you my day, morning with the kids doing the housework, and in the afternoon I'll be going to work. I have an afternoon shift. This is just a typical reflection of the day here in Finland as a working parents. This is how we live. I woke up in the morning and I found that kids are already awake. They have already eaten their breakfast. The cereals were there, easy to prepare. They just prepared themselves. Put the cereals and milk and they have finished. Zane had his bread with the peanut butter. So now I will go for my breakfast. And I have actually good sleep because the kids don't annoy us. They don't disturb us. They prepared their breakfast themselves. So I have enough time to sleep. Now I have energy to work. I have energy to survive for the day. So I started with the routine tasks that I have been doing actively. I prepared my breakfast routine, tea and paratha I have eaten. Today I'm planning to cook for them chicken gravy. Not the kind of masala that usually we eat Indian Pakistanis, but this is different kind of chicken. You will enjoy seeing it how I cook. So chicken was frozen. I took it out for a while. Kids took their shower. The girl takes shower herself. The autistic boy also almost. We just need to guide him, but the small boy needs help with the shower. So I showered him. Showers are done in the morning, so when Madame comes, she doesn't have work to do with the kids. They are already clean. Doing proper hygiene is important for the kids. Otherwise, they can have infections. They are prone for the infections. Of course, they don't know how to take care of themselves. Now I'll dry their hair. Although the boys have short hair, but I dries up myself. This is the normal routine we do. Now after drying up, I need to go for the cooking. The autistic boy, he is afraid of the noise. That's why he behaves that way. He doesn't like the noise. I'm going to start cooking now, so I need to make them busy. I gave them some tasks on the iPad. They are doing some educational contents. I don't let them watch the games or play the games or watching some videos, using the internet. Those are just offline applications they use themselves. Now I'll start cooking. I'm making a very simple meal. Something very different you will surprised to see. It is kind of masala, but I'm not putting any masala in it because last time during our vacation in Pakistan, I told them they don't eat any kind of masala because they live in Philippines. The kids especially, they don't eat. Me and Riza, of course, we eat all kind of food, even spicy foods, but they don't eat food spicy and with masala. So my sister cooked for them chicken gravy, a kind of simple chicken gravy. So they asked for it and I'm preparing it myself today. It's not so complex cooking, just simple, onion, garlic, and ginger. I fried them well. Ginger garlic paste actually, and the simple onion, then fried chicken in it. And after that, I just added turmeric powder, salt, and black pepper. And after that, tomato paste. And I cooked them well to make a gravy. When it is done, I just added the lemon, and that's something different, I know. So after adding lemon, it became a curry or gravy. The kids are busy still. At the same time, I did the laundry. Easy to do laundry. You just put in the machine. It just gets washed and dries up. After that, I removed also the dishes, the morning breakfast dishes I had washed already and put them there. I drained it up. I don't use the dishwasher unless I have so many dishes to do. Well, rice I usually use is a dishwasher. I open the windows in the room so that the smells go out. After that, I hang the clothes and went down. The meal is already done and kids are busy doing things. This is good thing in Finland, it's not very hot. You don't need fan or air condition. People like us who come from the countries where it is very hot, they don't feel it much. I just open the door to get the fresh air. The temperature today is 2022, cloudy, but a little bit suffocating. The cherries are ready in next few days, so kids can pick from there and eat. I also need to clean the solar light and the filter, which I will be doing soon. But right now I don't have time. I need to finish these tasks and go to work. Kids are not interested to go out because it's a bit suffocating, but we're gonna go out later to walk in the forest and play in the park. I got some fresh oxygen. Now I'm going back inside and prepare for the kids' lunch so that I can rest for a while. Zen is still doing the piano and kids are doing their task. It is just 30 minutes, for them. I don't give them for a long time. They just use it for a while. This is how the gravy looks like. It looks like a similar, chicken curry or chicken masala, but it's not. It's different because simple, ingredients I prepared. So they're gonna eat with the hubas or the bread, which I bought in Yalla. I have shown in the previous video on my YouTube channel. €1 you can find 4 hubas for bread. I think 3 enough for them to eat. Zen is gonna eat 1.5. Ariana will eat 1 bread. It's quite big, and Maher probably will go with half of the bread. I need to help him to prepare because they haven't eaten for a long time. They usually eat rice. I have the same chicken gravy along with dal. Dal is a little bit spicy, so it's nice for me to have the combination and eat with the bread. I will also have my lunch with them. I usually let them start first so that they can eat. After that, I will come and sit with them and we will finish together. So one time only I can stand and do the dishes. So everything will be neat and clean. This is called the quality of life. The little boy is slow. Sometimes he stops eating, so I need to help him, guide him, or sometimes put the spoon or food in his mouth. But the good thing is they clean their plates. They eat all. They know whatever is served, they must finish it. I transfer the things back here in this container so that when it gets cold, she can put it in the ref later when I will be at work. And the dish is already done, so mess is all clear. She will be happy to see everything. We have so many cartons here. I will put them in one so that it will occupy the less space. This is how we segregate the garbage here in Finland, and this is how we throw the garbage. We don't create much mess. This is how we are trained. This is for bio. If we have bio, we put it separately. I took a bath to get myself fresh. Now I will be going down, prepare myself, and we're gonna walk outside for a while to get the fresh air. Kids are on vacation right now. They have their Loma, so it's nice for them to spend their time outside. They're gonna go outside with mommy later, maybe after tea, but I'll take them myself. If she doesn't have time, at least their morning outing is already done. So I prepared myself. We went out, to walk there in Metsa. At the same time, I can throw the garbage. I went also actually to the K market to buy little things, but I didn't shot it because I have already made a video before that. So just beside our house there is nice playground where kids can play. After playing, we walk there. I was planning to go and pick some berries, but again the little boy was not happy with it because he's afraid of bugs. If he sees the bugs there, he's gonna shout. I put him pajama. Actually myself, I wear the shorts, and others too, but he doesn't like to wear shorts because of the bugs. I don't know, he has trauma. But I'm trying to take him out more frequently so that he can be familiar and he doesn't have that kind of feelings anymore. In the school also they have the complaint at daycare. He's going to start preschool actually. School starts at the age of 7. He is now 5, turning 6 soon. Then he will be in the preschool. Somehow we managed to stay for a while outside playing. Then he started crying. I need to get him back, otherwise neighbors gonna come out of their houses and see why the child is crying. Finland is a beautiful country where we have clean environment, nice atmosphere, less pollution around, clean air to breathe, eating healthy food, and spending time in the nature. This is what makes Finland a beautiful country and happiest country in the world. This was my experience of today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.